Thank you.
Let a little technology talk continue. And for that, let me invite for the next session, Deepak Chaudhary from Infor, who would be sharing his insights on why digitization of warehouses is critical for smarter and agile supply chain solutions. May I invite Deepak on stage, please?
Thank you, Jessel. Thank you so much for this opportunity, Jen. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the presentation. So, I'm going to talk about how Infor is helping its customers to transform their warehouse to different warehouse. So, all of us understand that warehouse is a critical part in entire supply chain, and a non-performing warehouse or a warehouse that is not performing to an adequate level can really create a bottleneck. So if we see the challenges and disruptions today, post-lockdown especially, the order profile of the customers have really got changed, right? So if we see there is an anxiety in customer base, in the market, in the industry, and people are becoming more and more sensitive when it comes to the timely receipt of the material or timely shipment of the material. And then there are customers who are also putting in lots of penalties and interest because of the anxiety, right? So customer order profile has changed a lot. We saw labor going back to their hometown, their places, right? So there is a rare scarcity of skilled workforce in the entire industry. So when we say industry, warehouse is an important and integral part of an industry. So the skilled labor, there is a shortage of skilled labor, and there is a very high cost implication because of shortage. So cost of operation has really gone high because of the labor cost. Margins have really come down because the price of the product has not really gone that high, but the cost of operation has gone high, and labor cost is one of the major factors for that. There's a very high pressure on the managers for cost cutting in the industry today. Customers are looking for digital transformation because the way of doing business has really changed. The warehouses which used to be in late 1980s or 1990s, the way of doing business in the warehouses has got changed. The requirement of the customer has also got changed. Customer today need a seamless, integrated solution. So they don't need different islands of different applications. So the warehouse management system is also supposed to talk to order management system, transport management system, ERP, and any other backend application, and to manage complex and technical stuff. So these are the challenges which were there earlier, but post-lockdown, the three challenges, including delayed order fulfillment, dynamic workforce, and cost. These are the challenges which has really emerged today. What Infor suggests to the customers is leave the warehouse management solution part to Infor, and they focus on their core area, which is the order fulfillment. Infor is one of the major solution available, one of the major WMS solution available in the market. And lots of analysts, including Gartner, they have also put Infor in the leadership quadrant. And they also appraise Infor for their strategy and vision. So Infor WMS is offered to the market as a service, which is a true cloud-based solution. So when I say true cloud-based solution, it is a multi-tenant architected solution, which needs zero footprint at customer's machine. For example, I'm using Google Chrome, or if I access ICICI net banking solution, then it doesn't install anything on my client, right? So it is a true cloud solution, which needs zero installation on the client machine. We support advanced warehouse management features. So in the next slide, I would explain why customers who have a complex warehouse need a point solution like Infor WMS. A general purpose WMS may not fit in, or may not suffice, or may not support all requirement of the customer. Inventory management, labor management. So labor management has also become a key aspect for a couple of the customers. So if a warehouse which is a labor intensive warehouse, wherein you don't find automated storage like robotic storage or cross-belt sortation system. So those warehouses would also need optimization of the labor, automation, and analytics. So these are some of the main features which are being supported by Infor WMS for the customers. Now, coming to why customers bought Infor WMS in the past and why customer should buy Infor WMS. So there are some key requirements of the industry or rather we should say requirements of the warehouse. So the basic WMS solution or the ERP's warehouse module or the homegrown WMS application, they are okay if customers just need to have a barcode label scanning or a basic cross-docking or picking. But if customer need to manage the trailers which are coming in the warehouse, which are supposed to be scheduled for their appointments, if they need to have multiple receiving method, if they handle multiple items, which are, I mean, if there is a 3PL company who handle multiple parts which belong to multiple customers, if they want a wave planning, wave stands for a dynamic picking based upon the delivery schedule. If they want task management and task interleaving sort of functionality, if they want to plan their load for their containers, if they want to optimize space of the warehouse, and if they want to plan their people properly, then they should definitely go for a best of the breed solution like Import WMS. So these are some of the KPIs that could be achieved by deploying or implementing our WMS solution. Optimize picking, packing, and put away. So we have large customer base. We do have customers who have 80,000 square foot warehouse. We do have customers who have more than 80 distribution center across the country with a total warehouse area of around 85 lakh square feet. So we serve to a variety of customer base. So some of the KPIs including reduction in fulfillment cost, improvement in labor productivity, and increasing fill rate. So these kind of KPIs could be easily achieved by the customers by deploying our WMS system. These are some of the components or modules of Import WMS. So it has a browser-based UI. So when I said earlier that we are a true web-based WMS system, so our WMS system could be easily worked on a browser. We support RF, so we support Telnet RF and Web RF. So these are different type of RF clients that we have in our WMS system. We do have a wipe control. So there are some industries or there are some warehouses wherein the people who work in the warehouse, they have dirty hands and they are not able to operate a handheld terminal because of the dirty hands, right? So they can use our voice-based module, which can enable them to pick and report the picking by the voice, right? Then we have advanced functionalities like appointment scheduling, receiving and put away. So we can create multiple rules for a put away purpose. So when I say put, one second please. So when I say put away, so put away could be of different types. So if you look at a difficult warehouse wherein, if you look at a large warehouse which may have multiple zones or multiple what should I say, multiple rows or multiple type of racking systems, like there might be a place wherein you can have G+5 level of storage. There might be a cold storage. There might be a normal temperature storage. There might be ground storage area. So we can create different type of complex tools wherein we can bind product to go to their specific areas. We can also create rules wherein WMS can assist a person to put away, or WMS can even direct a person to put away, right? So there are different type of putaways available. Cross-docking for fast shipment. Then we have replenishment strategies that could be defined based upon the customer requirement or warehouse complexities. Task management. So system can create picking tasks, put away tasks, or replenishment tasks for the warehouse workers. Task interleaving is one of the advanced features. So consider a situation that I'm going to row number 42 to do a put away activity in bin number 41 or bin number 143. WMS system can sense that there is a picking task available wherein I can pick the components from the next bin. So it will assign 2 tasks for Deepak, and he can execute those 2 tasks in a single trip. So it will immediately improve the efficiency of Deepak, right? Deepak as a person. Kitting. So WMS system has a module that's called kitting. So there are some customers who have kitting sort of requirement. For example, a sofa set. So a sofa set may have a 3-seater. It may have 2 seaters, right? It may also be clubbed with a table. So WMS system can support advanced kitting and value-added services. I spoke about wave planning. So wave planning means, for example, if we are shipping from a Jaipur distribution center, And at 9 o'clock, a 40-feet container is supposed to go to New Delhi or Gurgaon warehouse. Then wave planning can help customer to plan delivery for that 9 a.m. customer, and through wave planning, I can create tasks so that only those components or SKUs which are supposed to go at 9 o'clock in the morning will be picked. So wave planning help customers to plan their warehouse tasks, plan their entire day in a strategic fashion. Production line fulfillment. So in a manufacturing environment, we can also support functionalities like just-in-time issuance of material to the production floor, load management. Infor WMS also has a three-dimensional visual warehouse viewer. So it's a sort of 3D drawing. I'll show you that drawing going forward. We have dashboards and KPIs. These are pre-configured dashboards for different roles in the warehouse. We do have yard functionality. So there are certain warehouses which need a bulk storage, right? Wherein we can see large yards, big yards. So we do support yard visibility and yard management as a part of the WMS. And the last piece is reporting. So these are the core features of Infor WMS system, which are being backed by Infor Operating Services, which is best of the breed platform available. Now, coming to some major features like image attachment or document. So we have a document management solution seamlessly integrated with our WMS system. So any sort of document could be scanned and easily attached to a transaction. We have advanced business intelligence. So these are pre-configured, predefined dashboards that could be seen by different people in the warehouse, like warehouse managers. We know that in a typical warehouse, more than 80% of the people, they are supposed to work on handheld terminals. They move across the warehouse, right? So we support different type of clients for different type of handheld terminals, HSTs, right? So we support black and white client also for high-speed transactions or bulk transactions. We do support a GUI-based client for a normal warehouse, which has a lesser transactions. These are role-based dashboards, which could be configured by the customer himself. If you see in the screen, we have alerts, right? So WMS can work as a pre-active system. So when we say pre-active system, we can configure certain alerts and notification for warehouse management system, and it will send notification and alert based upon the user profile. So there might be a different type of situation in the warehouse, for example, quality rejection. So in case SKU got rejected during inspection, then I as a quality in charge or I as a warehouse manager can see an alert. So I can see that alert on my system. I can also see an alert on my mobile phone. So we do have application, an alert and notification application that can show me all these alerts on my mobile phone. We do have an advanced collaboration solution as a part of our WMS system. When I say advanced collaboration, so it's a kind of Twitter of your own organization. So WMS can recommend something, WMS can suggest something to different users, and user can also create community for different kind of discussions. So these are some of the major features which are being backed by Industry 4.0 initiatives. So we support cloud, we support IoT, we support advanced alert and notification, we support predefined dashboards, and we also support voice-based collection. So a voice-based direction could be given by WMS system, and when a picker want to notify something or report something, he may speak some word, and WMS will automatically create a picking plan. So all these advanced features are available ready-madely used by thousands of customers. Moving slightly ahead, we can support flexible labeling. So when we say flexible labeling, we can design different labels for the customer. So there could be a small shipment label which could be pasted on a carton. There could be a bigger label that can have information for the carton, as well as the SKUs or boxes which are installed inside. So different type of labels could be designed based upon the customer requirements, and these labels could be formatted based upon the owner's requirement. So there might be a situation that there is a 3PL warehouse which is sending shipment to the store, right? So based upon the store requirement, we can design labels. We can also format labels based upon the data selection, like customer A might want to print date of origin, manufacturing date, country of origin, etc., as a part of label. So that could be designed. Label could be printed at any point of time by using the handheld device. Alerts. So Infor also act as an early warning system to the customers. So when I say early warning system, if warehouse operations are running seamlessly without any trouble, then things are okay. But customers nowadays are expecting the system to act as an early warning system or an exception-based system, which should generate or which should send exceptions to the people, right? So we can see these exception as a part of an Apple Watch. If a customer is using this kind of watch, they can see the alert on their watch. There is a mobile app available wherein you can see these exceptions or alerts. So in this mobile app, if I can see my alerts or notification. I can also see my task. I can see the post, and I can also see the notification. So there are different type of alerts and notifications that people can see on their mobile handset. And this could be an Apple-based handset or Android-based handset. I can also see these alerts on my dashboard. And I can also have a picture or photograph attached as a part of alert. So if you see this particular alert, warehouse receipt hold, this is an alert number, this is an item ID receipt for this ASN, and the package was damaged or the carton was not wrapped properly. So quality inspector, he has taken a picture, he has uploaded that picture as part of an alert, which has created a task which has gone to a respective user. So these are next-gen features which are readily available as a part of this solution. I talked about 3D warehouse. So if I zoom a bit, in this warehouse, if you see, this is a kind of CAD drawing of my warehouse, wherein I can see the wall-to-wall storage. So if you see here, I have racking. If you see here, I have ground storage. This might be my inbound staging area, quality inspection area. So I can also color codify these racks or these bins based upon different projects. So empty bins might be shown in gray color. Bins wherein there is inventory shortage or there are rejected components stored, they could be shown in red color. Bins wherein we have cold storage, they could be shown in this fashion, in maroon color, and things like that. So these are different example of different type of warehouses, and I can use a logic for this color codification. So we can easily configure labels in the system, and we can see their performance. So I worked as an engineer in my initial few years as an industrial engineer, wherein I used to do a lot of time and motion study. So based upon time and motion study, I can configure some standard time or hold time, and actual time will be captured by the system, and it will show us the labor performance and efficiency. Two small case studies. We have a customer having 14 production plants across 33 countries, and they achieved almost 99.5% inventory reliability after deploying our WMS system. Another case study, there is a customer who have 18 level 4 warehouse, which serve around 2,500 stores across 145 countries, and they achieved 99.9% inventory accuracy by deploying our WMS solution. And we do have lots of case studies in India as well. So with this, I will like to finish my presentation, close my PPT. So Infor WMS will be the last upgrade or last migration for the customers. It is available on cloud for different size or different set of customers. So a customer may have 60,000 square feet, a warehouse may have a single warehouse. They are also fit for our WMS system. A customer may have complex warehouses or complex set of distribution centers across the country. They are also a good fit for our WMS solution. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepak. Thank you for your insights, and thank you for the support. Thank you.